Hi, I'm Rachel. I teach chemistry here at KGV. First of all, the labs that you'll come and study in are really modern. You can do the best practicals available. There's no practicals we can't do. We have really good availability of equipment as well, so that means that sometimes you can actually do it on your own and get some independence. I don't know if from high school you might have felt like you didn't really get to have a go of getting stuck in with the practicals, maybe your partner was a bit bossy. We don't have that problem here. It's really small classes, so I'm actually able to make sure that every single lesson I go and speak to every single one of you and really get to give you that one-to-one support in class and also outside class as well. I'm really keen to offer my free time to come and help you if I find that you're struggling, or you find you're struggling and you think you just need a little bit more care and attention to help you get back on track. Chemistry for me is my passion. I get too excited, right? You'll see if you come and study with me how I'll end up going off on a tangent about something I did at university, or how what you're studying now links to something that we're doing in manufacturing. So for example, if we study benzene rings are used to make explosives, and so you'll actually get to understand why explosives work, why they have that high energy. It's just so many applications. Everything that you use in your day-to-day life, now I know you're not using explosives in your day-to-day life, but your toothpaste, your shampoos, your phone, it all is because of chemistry, it's because of chemists, and it's because of things that you'll come and study. You'll be able to find out what areas that you're interested in, because it is such a broad subject. I personally find maths fascinating, so that's the area of chemistry that I gravitate towards too. But you might not like maths as much, and you might find that you prefer organic chemistry, which might be more pharmaceuticals. So whatever kind of interests you have, chemistry can satisfy you. Typically, we try and do as many practicals as we can. That might not necessarily mean every week you'll do a practical. It's usually more, some weeks will be practical heavy, so maybe every lesson for that week you'll just be doing practicals, and then maybe another week it'll just be the theory. But we tend to, on an average, do at least one practical every 2 weeks, so that you're constantly gaining those lab skills, you're getting to apply whatever you've learned. It might not click with you until you actually see it in person, so the fact that we break it up with practicals is really helpful. You'll get really familiar with exam questions. Every lesson I have, you will do some exam questions so that they're not scary, they're not unknown to you. You'll get really familiar with knowing exactly what an examiner wants from you, so that you don't get any surprises when you do sit that exam. And usually there'll be some memes and some fun things and some jokes thrown in that you'll probably groan at me for, but you'll grow to love them, so it is quite fun.